Hi everyone, I'm back with another unboxing. Now I'm not sure which album this is. Well, you saw it in the title, but I don't know which one it is. So let's go. I think it's the one from X1. I am not sure. Yeah, I think that's X1. Yep. I was not expecting it like right now because I ordered it from, where did I got? From Kpoptown, and as usual, all the informations are gonna be in the description bar below. Sorry, like how long it took. Ooh, pretty. How long it took, how much I got it for, and yeah. So I got the quantum version. Oh, you can see me. Oops. It looks you can see me. That's so funny. Okay, let's try it again. So it looks like this, glossy, and I think this is the poster, which yep, I don't, okay, I think it's gonna actually fit in the frame. Oh, perfect. Yeah, so I got the quantum version. Whoa, this is so much smaller than I thought. But anyways, here, oops, let me just show you them. Wonsang, Songwoo, Songyun, Hangul, Usok, Yewan, Hongjun, Dongpyo, Juno, Mini, and Toyeon. Here they are. I'm pretty happy with the lineup. However, I really wanted Wonjin to be part of it, and also Yubin. So I'm kind of sad about that, but hey, it's okay. And Seun, I really liked him too, but I'm fine. It's alright. I really loved Flash. Like, I've seen like X1 Flash, you know, the mini show, like reality show that they do. And yeah, let me try not to show my face. Okay, anyways, and as you can see, I've seen some unboxings, and okay, which way is this? Oh my god, okay, this way. And like, you see, it's so cool, like a butterfly. Anyways, so it comes with two things. This one has all the goodies, so let me put this one aside and let's do a quick flip through. It's my first time seeing the photo book too, so I'm very excited. Oh my god, they look so good. Oh my god, we can't even see Johan. He's like right here. Anyways, they look good. I think my bias is Songyun. And funny enough, like during for this X101, I didn't even know who he was. Like, I never really paid attention to him, even though he was really funny. And it's only after they announced that he was part of X1 that I was like, okay, who is that? And ooh, hi, sorry. Ooh, hi. Oh my god, they look good. Yeah, anyways, so yeah, I really like Songyun now, and Yeon too. Yeon is like such a non-Korean name, in my opinion, because Yeon is a French name too, you know. And wow, looking good. And sorry, I keep getting distracted. So yeah, Yeon is also a French name, so it's kind of like, that's odd. I love Hongjun. He's so cute. And Doyeon too. Here you have the X. Ooh. I like this. Oh my god. Yes. I love Usopp too. I love them all, honestly. Ooh. Risky. I'm sorry if the lighting changes. There's so many clouds today. Ooh, I was not honestly expecting Hangul to be part of the group, but I'm not mad at it either. Oh my god, I just slipped. I love Minnie. So cute. Song. Oops, sorry, it was not straight. Hongjun. Taeyeon. Okay, just a random ball. Alright. Oh, there's unit pictures. Yes. They look. Oh my god. Woo! I don't know if you've seen my Red Velvet unboxing, but oh my god. I said oh my god at least 20 times. Oh, they do look good. I love this photo book. I'm really happy that I chose this version instead of the other one, because the other one, I saw the unboxing for the other one, it was pretty basic, like just flower boys, you know. I love the suits. Oh my god, whoa, hi, okay, sorry. I love the suits, they do look good. Oh my god, I was not expecting, by the way, Doyeon to be so tall. Oh my god. Oh, they look good. He's such a baby. Ooh, hi. And I'm sorry, in my Red Velvet unboxing I had something on my hand, which I also have here. Oh my god. And here are, I think these are the lyrics. Yeah. Here's a group picture, and then just random. Oh, how cute! I was not expecting that. And yeah, just random ass dog paws. Anyways, that's a very good photo book. And we are moving now onto the. Oh my god! I got one song. The goodies. Oh my god, okay, let me try not to get my face in frame. Oh yes, I'm gonna show you after, like once I pop it out. So let me just show you really quickly. These standees, and he comes right here, and then there's the little X1 logo that comes right there. Oh, sorry. And his little name that comes right here in the front. Okay, and there you go. And that's my knee, I'm sorry. That's cute. Like, well, I'm happy. I love Unsung. We have the CD. I don't know if you guys actually care about the CD. I don't usually. And for the photo cards, I got Hangul and I got Yeon. Yes. So here is the little postcard. I thought it was random, but it's just a group postcard. They do look good though, so I am not mad about that. And well, you guys already saw the rest. Oh, I'm so happy I got Yeon. Yes. Let me put him right here. And finally, the AR card. I'm so happy. Actually, I don't really know how to make it move, but there's plenty of unboxings where you can see it. So I'm gonna try to show it to you guys, but if I cannot, I'm sorry. I'm very happy. Oh my god, he's cute. So yeah, that was my unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. My next unboxing is probably gonna be day 6, Remember Us, and after that I ordered 17's next album. I think it's Ode, like the name of the album. So I'll see you then. Bye.